Hey guys, Nick here, and welcome to my new video about Cara. And today I'll show you how to delete your account in Cara. So let's open Cara app, and if you want to delete your account, do the following. And first of all, click on the three bars icon at the top right corner of the screen, and right here select Settings. After that, go to Edit Profile, and just scroll down to the very bottom. And here you'll find the delete account option. And if you delete your account, your data will be gone forever. So to delete your account, just click on this button. Click here. Please note that deleting your account is permanent and irreversible. It will cause all of your artwork to be deleted from Cara and the account cannot be returned to you. So also you can send feedback on why you are deleting an account in Cara. So to delete your Cara account, just type in this text box, delete my account. And now we can tap on delete my account. That's all. So I just deleted my account. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and leave your comment. Bye bye.